Yeah, decently. Always got something going on, that's for sure.
I guess that's a good thing.
Yeah.
As you pay your bills and take care of your family.
Yeah, exactly. Maybe. There we go. She's starting to go. Man.
That band just looks shorter though.
Let's see if we can get some torque on this thing. Man. Ooh, yeah, he would have. That thing's corroded. No wonder you couldn't get it open with the key. Jeez. Yeah, this thing's just corroded and crap. That. Goodness gracious, man. Am I tripping? Like, there we go. Yeah, I'm gonna clean up all this. Look at this. It's just all so gunky. So, he did have the right key. It just needed to be cleaned. It just needs to be, yeah. I can wear it down some. There we go. There we go. That's working so much better. I mean, look at that, bro.
Pedal was so rusty.
Yeah, thing's nasty. I'm gonna do the best I can to get everything and leave it all up and. It's crazy. I ain't never seen a motorcycle like this. You got plenty of lubricant in there. Grab some napkins. Get this all cleaned up. Goodness. This thing is nasty.
That thing is so...
Whew. Spring's still good.
Heck yeah, my boy.
Alright, got all the parts cleaned best we can. And this old key, definitely turns way smoother now. So we'll take this out. Go ahead and just continue to apply Houdini. And what we need, this This goes in here like so. And this. There she goes, snapped in. This goes in there now. She's in. All the little springs go on here. I'm missing one. Oh, here we go. Alright, we figured it out this time. So it goes like so. And this one has, both have circles. This one, the groove goes in that piece though. So when it presses down, there we go. Okay. Okay, now this thing lines up in here. Spring goes down the middle. There we go. Okay. This thing's still gonna take quite a bit of. Ah, jeez. Good stuff. There we go. Ah. Get one side in, just the other side pop right back out. And then these are gonna line up. This one, I'm gonna line the holes up. It's gonna be like that. So this one goes like so. Maybe that's what I'm forgetting. I just can't get my left side to drop into place. Oh, okay, there's that dot, goes in there. So it's definitely gonna go this way. Which means that this goes this way also. Because this, you want it to go like that. So it falls in. Yep. Okay. Which means that this goes like this. There we go. Now she's on there. Okay. And now these go into here. Alright. Alright. man. This thing is all sorts of dirty. That's turning way smoother. Bear in mind this gas inside this gas cap looks trashed. No wonder it looks like that. Look at that.
Oh yeah, that needs to be cleaned.
I mean, I don't know how he's even gonna ride. His fuel line is probably just screwed.
Yeah. It's been
Alright.
sitting for a minute.
Yeah. But did our job. Goes in, locks. Don't come back up. Don't even know where the screws are. Unless they're over here. Nope. Yeah. Alright. Release this now. Turns. Here we go. Goes in. Turns. Don't do that real quick. Let me see. Yeah. Okay. Must be how he's taking it off before, I guess.
Yeah, don't